A toast to the finest ship ever built.
Absolutely magnificent.
We have visual on the main section. Continue ascent slowly and watch the port side for instability.
Bring her up another 5 meters. Watch the port side tension. Easy now.
Easy now, easy. Hold it right there. Looks clear. All right, set her down slow.
The hull section shows remarkable preservation despite the deep sea conditions. The team is now assessing
The data confirms significant pitting here, likely graphitization.
Yes, the thickness gauge shows severe loss in this section.
Humidity levels are stabilizing right on target.
And the core temperature is holding steady at 150 Celsius. Looks good.
Alignment confirmed on the starboard section.
Verified. Ready for transfer.
Emergent.
We need to verify the hull alignment sequence on the starboard side.
Yeah.
The displacement markers are fluctuating.
If I
Align section G12 2 meters north.
Copy that. Adjusting trajectory now. How's the spacing on your side?
Okay.
Looks good. We're clear.
Easy now, just a fraction more to the right.
Is that aligned with the mark?
Yes, that's perfect. Now let's set the table. As you can see, the hull sections here are completely original. We are carefully replacing the damaged timbers.
How long does that process usually take?
We actually did it.
She's beautiful, isn't she?
To the stars.
Voltage is stable across the array.
And the master clock synchronization is confirmed.
Look at the detail on this sextant. It's incredible they could navigate with this.
Yeah. And the size of this wheel. Imagine the force.
A little more to the left, watch the curve. There, that feels flush. Grab the screws.
According to the period specs, this alignment is crucial.
Just a fraction more to the right, gently. There, that matches the blueprint.
Secure on your side.
Yes. The folds look exquisite in this light.
Watch the starboard side connection. All right, bring it down 5 more feet. This is the largest propulsion system ever built. Clear the supports now. Clear! Hoist slowly, keep it steady.
Steady on the port side.
Increase tension on the forward cables.
Signal the engine room for more steam.
Secure the forward lines now.
Watch the tension on beam 7.
All clear on the starboard side.
Check the forward brace. Tighten it down now.
It's done, engineer. We are green here.
Secure the cables on the starboard side. Watch the water pressure. Move quickly, but stay safe.
Get those lines secured!
Wow, look at the steam from the funnels. It's absolutely incredible.
Clear the deck. Move, move!
Did you get a shot of the propeller? It's massive.
Give way on the starboard tug.
Aye, steady as she goes.
The view is absolutely stunning today.
I know, I could stay here forever.
I cannot believe we are finally crossing the Atlantic.
It is quite the experience. Are you enjoying the Thermidor?
I'm so glad we finally made this trip.
It's absolutely perfect. Cheers.
The ambience here is simply unmatched.
It truly is.
To the journey ahead.
I agree. This was definitely worth it.
I think we need one more block on top.
Perfect. It's finished.
Look right there. See them jumping.
Oh, wow, that's incredible. The candlelight is marvelous, isn't it?
Indeed, sir. Your table awaits.
It promises to be a delightful evening. This vintage is truly exceptional, Captain. Don't you agree?
It is indeed, sir. The voyage has been remarkably calm as well.
A perfect evening all around.
The service on this line is simply unmatched.
Truly, and the view tonight is spectacular.